In this demo, we're running Blender remotely on Ubuntu using ThinLinc. Unlike pure VNC, ThinLinc provides true Linux Remote Desktop performance with VirtualGL acceleration, meaning the server's GPU handles the rendering, while the client sees a smooth, interactive session. This makes ThinLinc much more powerful than basic screen forwarding. Even a lightweight device like the Raspberry Pi 500 can handle demanding 3D applications such as Blender, thanks to ThinLinc's Linux VDI capabilities. If you're looking for powerful, accelerated Linux solutions for remote desktop, ThinLinc is the answer. Stop settling for slow VNC. Click the link in the description below to learn more about ThinLinc, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, demos, and expert insights. ThinLinc, your local experience anywhere you want it.